Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for a very fast brightening oil to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to whiten your skin, to clear spots on the skin, to clear blemishes on the skin, to glow the skin, and also work within some few number of days? In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on White Secrets oil. This is the most talked about oil in Africa, and it's also used by most of the people in Africa. It's a very good oil that whiten the skin, that lighten the skin, that brighten the skin, and also it clears and fade dark spots on the skin as well. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients that I use to formulate White Secret oil. I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin, and I'll go ahead and share with you guys who should use White Secret oil, and also the side effect of using White Secret oil. Beautiful people, welcome to Latini Skincare. This is a skincare channel where we give reviews on all skincare products, and we also direct you on how to use effective skincare products. So if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I share a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. And if you are a return subscriber, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for coming back to this channel. I really appreciate you. And once again, thank you so much. So White Secrets oil is formulated or is produced to lighten the skin, to brighten the skin, to fade blemishes on the skin, to clear dark spots on the skin, and it's also formulated to whiten the skin as well. White Secret oil is not recommended for everybody, especially people with dark skin, especially people with sensitive skin, especially people with oily skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, you have an oily skin, or you are a dark skin person, it's not advisable for you to use White Secret oil on your skin because you end up damaging the skin. Now, let's look at the ingredients that I use to formulate White Secret oil. They use vitamin E, they use AHA, they use silicone oil, they use carrot, they use Vaseline oil, petroleum jelly, hydroquine, vitamin C, and fragrance. It's an oil that contains hydroquine. That is why it's not even recommended for a dark skinned person at all. So if you are a dark skinned person, please stay away from White Secret. If you are a sensitive skin person, please stay away from White Secret. And also, if you have an oily skin, please stay away from White Secret. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. White Secret oil plays a lot of roles on the skin, okay? And if you are a dark skin person, I said it earlier on that do not use White Secret oil. The roles that it plays is mostly for light skin people. It's mostly for people who want to be extra fairer, or people who are already fair and they want to maintain their skin tone. So the roles that it plays on the skin is that it clears dark spots on the skin, it's lighting the skin, it clears blemishes on the skin, it's whitening the skin when you use it consistently, and also it clears blemishes on the skin. It makes the skin so soft, it makes the skin so smooth. I would like us to open this to see how it is in the bottle. It's a product from Rhodes. I don't know how to pronounce it, whether Rhodes or Rhodes. Rhodes is a company from Togo. Yeah. So this is how the oil looks like. This is how the White Secrets lightening oil looks like. I love to smell most of the oil because I want to feel how or smell how the fragrance looks like. It's made with carrots, it's made with AHA, it's made with petroleum jelly, It's made with kojic acid. Ish, ish, it's hot. I can feel the burns sensation on my skin. Woo, 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 woo. It's a very strong oil, trust me. This oil is not for everybody. I can feel the burns on my skin. What? Don't try this oil if you have a very sensitive skin. You might end up having rashes on the skin. It has really made my skin very smooth. Even though I can feel some kind of burns on my skin, but it has really made the skin very smooth. It has made the skin very soft. So imagine me using this oil for like 1 month to 2 months. Hey, I'll become very white. Oh, I'll whiten up a lot. Yeah, so this is how the oil looks like. It's very, very strong. I don't like an oil that contains hydroquine at all. It has a different scent on its own, even though it is formulated with natural extract, but because of the hydroquine, the aha, the kojic acid, like those kind of strong ingredients that I use to formulate it, it has a different smell all together. It's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, it's whitening the skin, it glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, and it moisturizes the skin as well. So if you are a dark skin person, you are a sensitive skin person, you are an oily skin person, do not use white secret oil. Even if you have a caramel skin tone, do not use white secret oil. And please do not use this oil on your face. You will damage your face. It's a very strong oil. This is how you are supposed to use it to avoid skin problems like white dots, skin tag, dark knuckles, and so on. Because it contains hydroquine, make sure you dilute it with a very mild oil before applying it on the skin, and do not use this oil direct on the skin during the daytime. Please, I repeat myself, do not use this oil direct on the skin and expose the body under the sun. Okay, it should be used mostly at night. Even if you mix it with your cream, your oil, or your lotion, use it at night. Okay, and you know this oil comes in a different form. They have the one with the one in a bottle. I don't have that one with me here. The one in a bottle, and it seems that one is a facial serum. Please don't use it on the face. It's very strong, so do not use it on the face. If you use it on the face, you end up having sunburn, that kind of severe sunburn, reddish, dark under eye circle, and sometimes you end up having a dull face. Okay, it's very strong, so avoid using it on the face, and it should be used only at night. You can mix it with a mild cream to reduce the hydroquine inside. You can mix it with a mild lotion to reduce the hydroquine inside. It's a very powerful oil that whitens the skin when you use it consistently. So if you are the type who want to whiten your skin, you can use white secret oil, but you have to know that it's a strong oil. So when you use it to whiten the skin, you end up having certain challenges, which are the side effects. You end up having stretch marks on the skin. You end up having green veins on the skin. You end up having white dots on the skin. You end up having dark knuckles on the skin. And sometimes you feel itches or burns on the skin when you apply it directly on the skin and you expose the body under the sun. White secret is good for people who want to be extra fairer. White secret is good for people who are already fair and they want to maintain their skin tone. So if you are a dark skin person, stay away from white secret. If you are a sensitive skin person, stay away from white secret oil. If you are a caramel skin tone person, do not use white secret oil. Don't say I didn't tell you. I know what I'm talking about. This oil is very strong. It's not for kids. It's not for kids at all. And do not use it on the face. All right? It lightens, it brightens, it whitens, it nourishes, it clears spots on the skin. So if you have ever used white secret oil before, you can share your experience with us. You can share your testimony with me, or you can leave a comment under the video. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you. By then, I would like to introduce to you our glowing oil from Latini Skincare. Latini Skincare is a brand that formulates luxurious skincare products. We have a product for all skin type. We have a product for a normal skin people. We have a product for a combination skin people. We have a product for an oil skin people, and we have a product for dry skin and sensitive skin people. We also have healthy skin oil like our glowing oil, our half cast oil, our harmony half cast oil, our vitamin C oil. We also have Moroccan oil. We have the best stretch marks oil that helps in clearing stretch marks. But today, I would like to elaborate on our glowing oil. And this is how the glowing oil looks like. It's for all skin type, okay? A dark skin person can use it. A caramel skin person can use it. A light skin person can use it. A combination skin person can use it. A normal skin person can use it, and also a sensitive skin person and an oily skin person can use it as well. The ingredient that I use to formulate this oil are argan oil, neem seed oil, vitamin C oil, vitamin E, and also other natural extracts ingredients. It makes the skin very smooth, it nourishes the skin, it glows the skin, it brightens the skin. But take note, it does not whiten the skin, all right? It makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, and it gives you that kind of nice flawless skin tone. I use this oil myself. I mix it with my cream, I mix it with my lotion, and I use most of my oils or most of my products at night, because when you use most product in the night, it works perfectly on the skin. So if you are the type who needs a very good oil to use on your skin or to mix with your products, you can grab our glowing oil and used on the skin. It's very good for dark skin people who want to achieve a very nice a caramel skin tone. Okay, you can mix it with your cream, or you can even use it alone on the skin, but do not use it on the face. Okay, some people uses it on the face and it works for them perfectly, but some people also use it on the face and they end up having some kind of itches on the face because their face is very sensitive. So if you want to achieve a radiant skin glow, or you want to achieve a very flawless skin tone, you can grab our glowing oil and use on your skin. You can search Latini Skincare on Instagram to see the reviews on our page. Okay, a lot of people have used it and they have shared their testimony with us. So if you have a dry skin, you can grab our glowing oil and use, so that you can also share your testimony with us. Okay, so if you want to get in touch with Latini Skincare, or you want to get in touch with Latini, maybe you are facing skin problem like dark spots, like dark knuckles, like stretch marks, like green veins, or maybe you have used a product that has damaged your skin. Trust me, we have the best affordable product that you can use on your skin to achieve a healthy skin tone. So you can check on my bio and use the link on my bio and send us a DM. Just share your problems with us, or you can let us know how you want your skin to look like. We are going to help you out. We ship to all nationwide. You can also WhatsApp us on 027-159-4053. Latini Skincare. Remember to glow natural with Latini. I really appreciate you for watching, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.